RapidPipeline's import action allows users to import 3D files, including CAD files, directly into Unreal Engine. In this example, we have a CAD model of a coffee machine that was created in SolidWorks. Normally, you would have to either rely on a CAD conversion software or use less than optimal options to import the file into Unreal Engine. RapidPipeline, however, streamlines this process. To start off, simply press Import. Here, we can see all the various formats supported for import by the plugin. We can then select our model of choice and press Open. The CAD import action offers several customizable options for importing your model. These include a tessellation resolution setting that ranges from fine, medium or coarse, a sewing tolerance threshold, and even an option to remove T-junctions. There are additional tools to help resolve common import issues such as axis conversion and correcting face orientation using the Fix Winding Order option. You can also choose to remove occluded geometry using the Remove Invisible setting, or set a face limit cap to control how many triangles the imported mesh should be limited to. Once you are satisfied with your settings, simply click Import. And just like that, our CAD model is converted and imported into Unreal Engine. We can turn on the wireframe mode to have a closer inspection of our model. As you can see, our CAD model is now ready for use in Unreal Engine in just a few simple steps. Optimize your models fast, flexibly and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for Unreal Engine. Try it for free or chat with our human team directly on our website.